Guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the trading strategies that I will be sharing in my videos. Practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up, share with families and friends, and of course if you have any question, you can drop your question within the comment section. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have right here. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. So guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from your small trading capital into a big one. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis. And of course, just the way you're seeing this, right from this resistance zone, it started a downtrend because it was unable to break out above this resistance zone. So you can see the red flag. It started selling right from there, and it got to a new support zone around there, but was unable to go below it. So it started an uptrend. That is why you are seeing the yellow flag and the blue arrow. And of course, this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is boom 500. Right from the resistance zone, it started a downtrend and it is still selling at the moment. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, most especially once it breaks out below the support zone, then definitely it's going to sell more. But if it's unable to break out below it, it's going to go back on a buy trend. So this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out below the support zone. The next asset is going to be crash 1000. This is crash 1000. It has been on uptrend right from the resistance zone, even though the movement is not that smooth. Okay, but it's been more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, so it got to this resistance zone, was unable to break out above it, so it is selling at the moment. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, but we need it to break out below the support zone in order for us to be sure that it's going to sell more right from there. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 500. Right from the resistance zone, it started a downtrend, and of course that is why you are seeing the red flag and the red arrows. And of course it sold till it got to this support zone, tried to pull back a bit, and of course it was unable to go above this, and of course it is still selling at the moment. If it's unable to break out below this support zone, then definitely it will make another attempt at the resistance zone, which is going to be somewhere here. But once it breaks out above this, then it's going to buy more, so we should take note of that. So this is still selling at the moment. This might not be for long before it will change the direction of the market into an uptrend. The last asset we'll be checking out is going to be V75. Let's check it out right away. This is volatility 75. Right from the support zone, it started an uptrend, and you can see the movement. Okay, it kept on going up until it got to this resistance zone. Okay, so it is at this resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more, but if it does not, it will go back on downtrend. This is still buying at the moment, but it might not be for a very long time, most especially if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, then it will start selling right from there. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to my channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of of the trading strategies. Practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.